Yanji, a border city in northeast China's Jilin province, is seeing its coffee industry flourishing and adding vitality to local economy. In recent years, coffee has gained increasing popularity in Yanji. With a population of 680,000, Yanji is now home to nearly 600 coffee shops.
按照人均和城市面积来讲，这个咖啡店的占有率的话是很大的，所以就是有这个需求，然后有这个市场。
According to statistics, from January to May this year, the city's online sales of coffee products on Meituan, a major food delivery platform in China, increased by 1,256% compared with the same period last year.
从江苏苏州过来，我觉得城市影响非常好。然后咖啡的话，可能是这2年它那个就是盛行起来，咖啡馆、街边咖啡馆特别多，比奶茶店还多。然后这边的咖啡的话，我觉得主要是一个过来体验一个这种感觉氛围吧。
就延吉现在火的就是旅游城市，不光是美食，就把这个好几个文化加在一起，就给外地人感觉到就更多的这个当地的特色的经验。